Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk you through one of the most important first steps if you are planning any visa or immigration process for Australia. And that's a step setting up your ImmiAccount. Stay with me. I will break it down step by step, and before we get started, please hit like, leave a comment, and of course subscribe. You don't miss any future guides. Why you need an ImmiAccount? First, first things first, why is creating an ImmiAccount essential? There are two types of access: individual ImmiAccount and organization ImmiAccount. For individual ImmiAccount, it is for individual applicants, family members helping, or friends assisting with the process. And organization ImmiAccount, it's for organizations, migrant agents, or sponsoring companies. ImmiAccount gives you access to a wide range of online services, including apply for visa or citizenship, apply for an Epic Business travel card, and access tools like legend.com, visa entitlement, verification online, and more. Simply put, without an ImmiAccount, you can't start or manage any of these applications. Now, how to create your ImmiAccount. For creating your ImmiAccount is free and straightforward. Visit the Department of Home Affairs website and select create your ImmiAccount. To search this, you can write in Google search bar ImmiAccount, and after click on this one, it is the website of Australian Government Department of Home Affairs. And now you can come here, create your ImmiAccount. You click here, and this will open. And after, you have two options: create an individual ImmiAccount and create an organization ImmiAccount. For most of you, it's create an individual ImmiAccount. If you are individual, you can create on this one, create an ImmiAccount, and after this will open, and you write your email address, for example for me, and after you will get now you should go to your email address and check the code. For example for me, it's the code is this one. I copy and paste. Now you click on next. In this part, you should write your information, family name, given name, for example, phone number, and after you click on next, you should write your password here. And now there are 3 questions. You should answer the question and remember this one, because when you want to change your password, or when you don't remember your password, you should answer these questions, and after you can reset your password. For example for me, and the second question, and after you should accept this one and mark this one. You click on next. Now you have two options. It's security multi-factor authentication. Security is critical, that's why ImmiAccount now requires MFA or a multi-factor authentication. You have two options. Authenticator app, it's recommended. You can use apps like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Scan the QR code or enter the key provided in ImmiAccount. For this one, you should have your phone and install an application, for example, Microsoft Authenticator in your phone, and after I will show you, you should scan a QR code from your phone. And the second one is email authentication fallback. 6-digit code is sent to your verified email. This method is least secure and only recommended if you don't have access to an authenticator app. Once MFI is set, every time you log in, you will need to enter a new 6-digit code. So I will click on this one, first one. It's next. I already installed the Microsoft Authenticator in my phone. I click on next. Click on next. Now I should have my phone, and I will go to Microsoft Authenticator, and I will scan this one, this QR code. I already scanned it, and I click on next. So I have the code in my phone. Next. It's done. Your ImmiAccount is already created, and it's your ImmiAccount. Now how to log in. Logging is easy. Go to your ImmiAccount. You can logging out there, and if you want to log in, go to your ImmiAccount login page. For example, you can click ImmiAccount in your Google search bar, and after it will open this page, and after this one, and after for example you click here. No, it's for okay. You click here ImmiAccount. First you should logging out. And now if you want to log in to this, you click here login to ImmiAccount. You should write your Gmail, and your password. It's done. And now you have authentication code in your phone and Microsoft Authenticator that you already created. You type, for me it's now this one. Okay, it's done. You are logging in your ImmiAccount. For navigating your ImmiAccount, once logging in, your dashboard is your control center. You can start a new application, continue a saved or incomplete application, import or share applications. If you want to import your application, you can click on this one, and remove applications if needed. Why it matters, and final tips. To recap, ImmiAccount is mandatory: no account, no application. It gives you access to essential services and tracking tools. ImmiAccount protects your account securely. The platform is centered around managing your entire process efficiently. My advice: set it up early. The sooner you create and secure your ImmiAccount, the smarter your visa journey will be. Thanks for staying till the end. If this guide helped you, please like, comment below telling me why, telling me what visa you are applying, and make sure to subscribe my channel. It's Nixad Visa Consultant for more step-by-step immigration tutorials. Until next time, good luck, and I will see you in the next video.